How to rename a file for Samsung phones with Android 15. If you have a file and you want to go ahead and change the name of it, first you'll look for the folder that says My Files, this one right here. When you find it, go into it and you'll see the categories in which you can look for that specific file and change the name of it. So whether it's an image, a video type, or any one of these following items here, you'll go into it and let's just say, for example, it's a song, right? You have a song on your phone and you want to rename that song to another name. When you see the file, just simply long press it like this here and you will go ahead and select it. So you'll select that single file. You'll probably have more than what you see here in this video. But once you select it like this, you'll see the option that says more to the bottom here on the right bottom. When you tap on more, you'll see rename. Tapping on the word rename will give you this pop-up here, and then you can choose to rename it to what you want to rename it. And just rename it to whatever it is you want to, and then press rename, and that's gonna save it as the new renamed file. It's not gonna change how the file is, it's just renaming it, and that's it, okay? So, and once you're done, that's it. You can do that for the other files. Again, it can be for any type of file on your phone. Like and sub.